This is Huawei Watch 2. When you need to turn on your watch, it is easy. This is the power button. If you press the power button, you will see the Huawei logo, and then the watch will be started. But if you want to turn it off, you can't only press that button. If you press that button, it's going to go to the menu. So you can't turn off that way. So the way to turn off a Huawei Watch 2 or maybe similar watch, so you go to the setting, and then in the setting you go to system, and in the system you see here there is a turn off, so you press this button to turn it off. Turn off, are you sure? So if you click I'm sure, it's going to power off your watch. Yeah, there's the vibration. Now the watch is turned off. To turn it back on, it's just as normal as your phone, maybe as other watches. You just press this power button, and you will see the logo. Now the watch is starting. So now displaying Wear OS, and now it is started. So this is how you turn on